Hello, guys. Today we're going to be learning how to find the key of a song by ear. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do, and also turn on your notification button for amazing content that will be coming your way. So let's get started. So I'm going to give some examples of songs, random songs. I'll just play them and then just touch any note and then find the key. Okay, let me play. So let me pick another one. Let me still touch this same note. I'm not forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven calls me his own. He's not just seated upon the throne. So this is the idea of finding keys by just listening and then touching any random note, and you can just trace the key from there. So you have 12 keys on the piano. Right? And all these keys are related. Okay, let me also break something. There's something that I always say. Something I always say on in most of my videos. Everything starts from your mind, right? If you're able to see these things in your mind, if you're able to see these things inside you, then you can bring it out. You understand? So um if you are able to touch any note you touch should mean something inside you. Like it should you don't it's just like playing a key, and you don't know when the singers go off. Do you know why? Because you are not playing that in you. You are just playing it. It's just like an outer appearance. It's just happening outside. When you do these things in you, inside you there's and it's a process. You understand? You have to build yourself to it. Do you understand? That's how the professionals do. You you see people grow from starting to pick notes like this to just touch a single note and then they go. No, I never started playing piano and just I started touching notes instantly. I started for this, but time continued going on, and then started understanding that every notes are related to each other. So this is where it starts. I'm going to be talking a lot. So this is where it starts, and then please, I advise you watch to the end so you will know where I'm driving at. And then I assure you that this will be of great help to you as a piano player or as a musician in general, both a bass player, a guitarist, any instrument you play. When you touch a note, this is C, right? This C is do as do. This C is T on C sharp. This C is to on D. This C is La on A flat. This C is is flat 6 on E, which we used to call Z, right? I think, yeah. This C again is the 5 on F. So you can see that this C, as single as it is related to every key in different ways, both in a major scale or in a minor scale or in any way. So why was I able to touch one note and then just identify a song? It's because when I touch a single note, it's a mind work. I try to relate to. Okay, first thing that happens is when you hear a song or when you hear the singer singing, let's assume the singer picks a key picks this key, which is B, right? And you touch F sharp. F sharp is so on B. The first thing your mind does is your mind picks the root of the key the singer is singing on, which is first. It's a very very smart move. So you need to be so smart. So your mind picks do. That's why sofa notation is very very important. Don't joke with that. I know most of us have neglected that, and then that is actually one of the primary idea of this, because when your mind picks do, your same inside you still have to pick the note you are playing and the note that person is singing. So you have do and you are touching so. So what happens? So fa mi re one or so. The best you I don't know if you're understanding this. The singer is singing on this. As in, you are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised, my Redeemer. You know that this is you are worthy to be praised, and you touch. You are worthy to be praised, worthy to be praised. So we see how you see we all see how the idea is. Any note? Okay, let's pick an odd note. So you are worthy to be praised, and then you touch this. So you are like worthy to be no, and you touch. Mm. The next thing you should think of is mm. So it's like I don't know. I'm trying my possible best to explain this thing, but if you meet a lot of musicians, they can hardly explain how this works, because the idea of this concept of music is thorough listening. Thorough you are scoring a lot of pace. You have listened to a lot of things. So you have a lot of sounds in your ear, and then when you are able to hear sounds, you are able to quickly identify them. That's what makes someone that can touch a single note different from someone that's why, because his mind is trying to process. So the only way is it can be fast enough is to manually process it. But the idea of thinking everything in your mind is the automatic part of it. So let me just you are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. What did I just do now? I started singing on B flat randomly, and I thought, and this is worthy to be praised. So worthy to okay, no, this let me just scatter my okay, let me think. Worthy to be praised. Oh, I accidentally touched that. Please, I don't have perfect speech perfect yet. So worthy to be praised. So imagine I did worthy to be praised and I touched worthy to be praised, worthy to be praised, Mary. So understanding do re mi fa sol la ti do. Like try to sing it in your head. Try to have it in your head. I think this is the easiest way I can explain. Because I think I didn't say it in the beginning of the video. I got few messages of musicians asking me how this can work. So first thing our advice is score a lot of pace. In fact, first thing our advice is learn all keys first. You understand? Learn all keys. Okay. So learn all keys. It's very important. Then after that, score a lot of songs. Score. We are quite lazy in this generation. We don't want to score songs. We just want to be bad. No, no, no. Go to the 90s. Find likes of Fred Hammond, Marvin Sapp. Score those songs. You understand? So when you score them, you have a lot of bank of ideas of sounds. You've heard a lot of things. You're able to identify. Okay. In fact, I think I'll do a lesson on that one of these days on um how to identify chords you hear. All this actually this is This is where it starts from. So when it starts from notes, it starts from chords. That when you hear, you know that this is, you can just pick the chord from by just listening, and you just come to play it. So so we come to the end of this video. Sorry, got distracted. So come to the end of this video. Please, if you have any question, you can drop them on the comment section, and also let us know how this video has been of great help to you. Hope to see you in our next video. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video. God bless you. See you.
Chase.